Hey YouTubers, unboxing video, unwrapping for, this should be the Purge 4K. I don't see a pair of scissors, so I'm going to have to try and get this here open with one hand. See if I can do it. And no luck. No luck on that. So yeah, I got this video on eBay. Unlike my usual Walmart purchases, this was $10.99, which is a pretty good deal for a 4K movie. Walmart selling these for $17.99, I think, which it may come with InstaWatch. All right, almost got it open. I got one more movie coming, Stagecoach, which doesn't have digital code like this one does, but all right, there we go. All right, so it does come with a slip cover, which is good, and it is sealed, like it said. All right, there's the backs of them, almost somewhat the same. So the 4K disc is just the movie. The Blu-ray comes with the Blu-ray and a bonus feature, the making of Purge. So that might be kind of neat. So let's get this thing open. And I may do a giveaway for this one. I haven't decided yet. So if you're interested, leave a comment down below. Sometimes I like to keep them for my collection. Sometimes I just keep the 4Ks. But all right, so there you have it. There is the Purge Blu-ray disc. No, pretty much a clear disc with the light blue print on it. And then the 4K disc, which looks really spiffy. You can see on there the ratio 2.40 to 1, and all the different surround sounds. It's 4K, the Purge. Digital code redeems at universalredeem.com. So thanks for checking out my video. Please like, please subscribe.